Today we'll talk about JSON in Python. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, which is a lightweight data interchange format that is widely used for storing and exchanging data between server and client. So in this video, we will explore how to work with JSON in Python. And by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding how to use JSON effectively. So first thing, let's talk about JSON. JSON is a text-based data format that is easy for human to read and write. And it can consist of key-value pairs, arrays, making it ideal choice for transmitting structured data over a network. Right? So let's look at example how to parse JSON in Python. So here is an example. In this example, we will be using the method of JSON called loads. It will convert this string into a dictionary format, which is enclosed in here, and then we can use this dictionary as normal. So you can see we can also use dictionaries method here now, etc. So let's also talk about serializing Python objects to JSON. A moment ago, we learned how to convert JSON strings back to Python object using JSON.loads. In this example, we will look into how to use this dumps method of JSON module to convert Python objects to JSON. So you can see this dictionary has been converted to JSON string, and it looks something like this. Okay, we can also work with JSON files. So just like reading a normal file, we can use open statement to read and write into JSON file. So let's start with writing a file. So I will just take this piece of code to next cell, and if I run this, you can see it created a file which has that particular JSON string. So then we can also read this particular file using JSON.load. What we have learned so far is what is JSON, how to parse JSON in Python, how to convert Python object to JSON string, and how to work with JSON files, reading from files and writing into JSON files. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.